Travelers favor destinations prioritizing sustainability. Example, Costa Rica. Stay in eco-friendly lodges, join wildlife tours, and engage in community projects. Continued use of technology in travel, including AI assistants, virtual reality, and enhanced mobile apps. Example, Tokyo, Japan. Experience high-tech hotels, use AI translation apps, and explore virtual reality attractions. Rise of remote work leads to travel incorporation. Example, Bali, Indonesia. Work from beachside villas, use Ubud co-working spaces, and unwind with yoga. Travelers prioritize wellness, leading to health retreats and spa experiences. Example, Sedona, Arizona, USA. Enjoy spa treatments, mindfulness hikes, and healing retreats in red rock landscapes. Trend of seeking authentic local experiences continues. Example, Marrakesh, Morocco. Navigate souks, stay in traditional riads, and immerse in local culture with cooking classes. Shift towards spending more time in fewer destinations. Example, Tuscany, Italy. Savor local wines, stroll through medieval towns, and embrace a slow pace with countryside bike tours. Rise in family and multi-generational travel. Example, Orlando, Florida, USA. Enjoy theme parks, explore museums, and relax on family-friendly beaches. Food-centric travel remains popular. Example, Barcelona, Spain. Take a tapas tour, visit La Boqueria Market, and join a paella cooking class. Ongoing focus on health and safety. Example, New Zealand. Explore open spaces, hike in national parks, and enjoy outdoor adventures in a safe destination. Increased demand for tailor-made travel. Example, Kyoto, Japan. Customize with private tea ceremonies, personalized tours, and a stay in a traditional ryokan for an exclusive cultural experience. Amidst these trends, health and safety precautions remain paramount. And to cap it all off, the dawn of 2024 promises a year filled with more travel goals, adventures, and discoveries. So here's to the explorers, the wanderers, and the dreamers. May your travels in the coming year be as extraordinary as the destinations you choose to embrace.